If, like me, you've got a slightly older vehicle or a much older vehicle with no technology in it at all, what's inside this box could be the answer. Let me show you. So this is my 1990 Honda Acti, and inside it has literally got an AM radio, which is also on Japanese frequency, so I can just about get Radio 5 live here in the UK, and one passenger speaker. There isn't a speaker in the driver's door, that's just how they are. Ignore my Temu gear stick. This hasn't even got a tape deck, it's just literally a radio. Let's put it on. Yeah, it's not great. So if you're after some Bluetooth, some DAB, some connectivity, some touchscreen action, then what I've got in this box could be the answer. Let's have a look. So what we got? So we've got a pretty large 9-inch screen, sticky pad on the bottom, and then big manual. Lots of pictures as well, but I'm not going to have a read through that. It looks like a trim tool and a jack to jack. If you've got a sound input into your car, then you can plug that into the sound. Windscreen mount as well. That's going to be a sticky dashboard mount because the Acti has got a great big dashboard, so that's going to be ideal for that. Charger. And a rear dash cam / parking sensor, because also on the back of this there's a dash cam on here as well. So this is literally going to be a one take. I'm going to show you in real time, unless there's any really lengthy upgrades and stuff that needs to happen, how to install this and connect it with my phone, and then ideally get Waze and stuff like that up on it as well. Let's have a go. So first things first, let's clean the little area on top of the dash. Next up, pull this cover off the screen, and at the moment I'm not going to stick it down, but because I think I'm going to have to plug some stuff in on the side here, which I'm going to do in a minute. So that is going to go on the dash, and I'll be honest, this has got quite a nice big dash, so it's going to be perfect for this. And then we've got the cigarette lighter charger, which has also got a USB in the back. It's also just a USB-C on there. So actually, if you just had like USB to USB-C, you could probably use that as well. Right, that is tangled up. Oh my days, what have I done here? Right, bird's nest. That'll do. Right, we're gonna plug that into there. Oh dear. Oh, it's a nice little click when it goes in, and then you could probably put a bend on that because that's going to stick out of there otherwise. And then pop that down there, and then plug it in to cigarette lighter socket. Now on the Acti, that's live all the time, so that's really handy. Oh, it's come straight up already. Right, I'm going to have to sit in for this bit. Look out! It's live already. Right, let's jump in. There she is. TF card is loading. TF card loaded successfully. Starting recording. Well, there you go. She's up and running. So what we got here? Home. What's this? Bright. No, there's your brightness. I literally haven't even read the manual because I'm a man. Oh, that's your dash cam. There's a Porsche over there. Look, I've still got the protective screen thing on the thing, so probably let's take that off. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, that's better. It was all a bit hazy before. That's really good quality as well. Look at that. 4K. How do I get out of that? Home again. Look at that. Right, let's pair my phone. Android Auto. Switch to Android Auto mode. Confirm. Right. So what's this? This is what I've got to do on my phone. Hang on then. Hold the line caller. Got a message from my boy. Right. That. What does it say? Connected devices. Bluetooth pairing. Connected devices. See all. Oh no, hang on. Being a bit thick here. Pair new device. Oh yeah, oh, it even says what it is up there because I'm being a bit stupid. So it says what it is up there, which is that one there. Click that. Pairing. Check pairing codes. Pair. Guess so. What's it doing? Active. Active. Oh, it's doing something. When safe, check your phone. Start Android Auto. Continue. Look at that. That's well good. Go now. No, I don't want to go yet. Look at that. Avoid. Can't get out of it. What's that now? Home. Oh wow, there you go. Android Auto. That's telling me how do I get to work. Ooh. Oh, it's telling me. That's really impressive. That's genuinely really impressive. Oh, it's even come up on here. So when I'm pressing stuff on it, it's also I can input it on my phone or input it on here as well. Genuinely, this is really, really good. How do I get to? If I press that, is it going to load up? Sign into YouTube Music. Yeah, it's trying to sign into YouTube Music, but I'm not on YouTube Music. Make a phone call. That's really good. For people off phones. Oh no! Don't phone Chris. He might call me back in a minute. Hopefully, I hung up in time. So you can do a thing on here. Oh my days! Oh, you got all these. That's really impressive. Waze, the weather, WhatsApp, customise. What's customise? Unlock phone to access the app launch. Oh, that's customising my phone. I thought it was just customising this. Settings. Stop and recording. Left to right, split screen mode. Full screen, split screen. Let's go split screen mode. What's that look like now? Ooh, I see. Oh, that's really cool. So I've got dash cam over here now and Waze running over here, and then I can press different options down here. Billy's on the road. Yeah, let's go Billy's on the road. So that was a good bit of breakfast the other day. Go now. There you go. And if I pinch that, I can zoom out. I would do if it was stuck down. No, I've got to zoom out on that. Oh, okay. So I can't. Oh, maybe I can. No, I can. I can drag it around, but I can't pinch the zoom. It's not a worry. Carplay. Oh, okay. That's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. I don't know what AirPlay is. Is that something else? Don't know. BT Music. Audio output. So you've got other settings on here and other plugs on here. Might not be able to see. You can have like a jack cable out, but you can also plug in the other camera. So let's go and do that. Right, this is the other camera. Right, this is now the rear camera. Pull the reflective thing off of that. And for now, let's just wedge it somewhere because it needs to be, it can be fixed, I guess, under your like number plate or something like that. But here you could have it wedged in somewhere. Let's put this out the back here somewhere. Right, I need somewhere to, where am I going to put this? Let's wedge that in there for a minute. There you go. That'll do for now. That's going to be a rear facing thing. Right, I've got loads of cable in here. You could literally, I mean, this is only a tiny truck, but you could run, got enough cable where you could run front to back of this truck about 4 times. And then, probably not meant to light over, but I'm trying to do all this one-handed. And then there's a little, so there's a big jack here which you can only put a sound cable into, and there's a small jack there, which again, pop that in. And then, Oh, it's gone to the rear camera already. So I'm still, I've got Waze here, and then I've got the rear camera, which is that one there. Let's just do a little wave. I've got to go over here and then home. I'll go to camera. Oh yes, look at that. So that's front and back. So that's your front camera, which is there, and then the back camera, which is there. That is pretty good. That is pretty good. That's really good quality as well. That's really good quality. I might install this on the Mazda for track days, because then I've got rear facing and forward facing, and also a sat nav to help me get around the track. Well, that's very impressive. Oh, and that's pretty good as well. Look, when it's on Waze on one side and camera on the other side, you can flick between rear camera and front camera. And then if, like this, it hasn't got an FM radio, you can just play music straight out of this. There's this little speaker on the back. Not sure what the quality of the speaker is going to be, but it's going to be better than this tiny little one that's in the door here. But if you have got an FM radio, you can tune it into your radio, and you can probably Bluetooth it into your car as well, and then whatever you're playing on here then comes straight out your speakers of your car as well. So there you go. I'm going to go and wire that in properly. I basically just got to stick it down on the dash, and I'm going to take it for a drive round. Probably put a bit of tape or put like a number plate sticky pad on the rear camera. Just stick it up underneath. I'm assuming it's all waterproof, but genuinely for 75 quid, I think it is. I'll put a link in the description for getting some quick, like 3-minute installation for touchscreen, Bluetooth, all that sort of stuff in your car that hasn't got any technology. I think that's a winner. As always, like, subscribe, check out the other videos on my channel as well, and I'll see you on the next one.